Machining is a metalworking process in which workpiece do rotation motion. Lathes are primarily designed to machine surface of revolution such as cylindrical, tubular, conical and face surface. On lathes can be performed turning, drilling, roughing and finish turning. On these processes we use cutting tools, drills, taps and single point cutting tools. Tools are clamped on tool post by bolts and workpiece is clamped in chuck. Main motions of cutting tool are transverse feed and longitudinal feed. Main difference between roughing and finish turning is that roughing is the first step of turning, in which we take big swerve, while in finish turning we got small swerve and we care about roughness and right dimensions because it's last step in this process.